Class 6, exercise 3.4, question number first. Find the SCF of the following numbers of prime factorization method. First, 36 and 84. Solution. Prime factorization of the number is 36 divided by 2, you will find to the 18. 18 divided by 2, you will find to the 9. 9 divided by 3, you will find to the 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 84 prime factorization. First, divide by 2, you will find to the 42. 2 divided by 42 is equal to 21, and 3 divided by 21 is equal to 7. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड में जब एचसीएफ निकालते हैं तो जो दोनों का फैक्टर्स होता है और नंबर मिलते रहते हैं उसी को हम लेते हैं, अलग अलग नंबर होता है तो उसको हम नहीं लेते हैं। तो यहाँ 2 का 2 पेयर बन रहा है और 3 का 1 पेयर बन रहा है। सो दैट द कॉमन फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स आर 2, 2 and 3. Thus, the SCF of 36 and 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 2 to the 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Second, 44 and 110. Prime factorization of 44. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, you will find to the 22, and again divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, you will find to the 11. 11 divide by 11, so that you will find to the 1. And 110 divide by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10, 55. 55 divided by 5, you will find to the 11. 11 divided by 11, you will find to the 1. 44 is equal to 2 into 2 into 11, and 110 is equal to 2 into 5 into 11. Here 1 pair of 2 and 1 pair of 11. So that SCF of 44 and 110 is equal to 2 into 11 is equal to 22. Third, 117 and 81. 117 prime factorization. 3 3 ja 9, 3 9 ja 27. Again divide by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. 13 divided by 13 is equal to 1. 81. 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21, you will find to the 27, and 27 divided by 3 you will find to the 9. 9 divided by 3 you will find to the 3. 3 divided by 3 you will find to the 1. So that 170 is equal to 3 into 3 into 13. 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here 2 pair of 3, so that SCF of 117 and 81 is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Question number 2. Find the SCF of the following number by division method. 161 and 325. 325 is greater number, so that 3 number 25 divided by 161. 161 2 ja 322. Here remainder 31. 31 divided by, here remainder 3. 161 divided by 3. 3 5 ja 15. 1 remainder and take in downside 1. Next 3 3 ja 9, remainder 2. 2 divided by 3, 2 1 ja 2. The remainder first 1. 1 divided by 2, 1 1 ja 1 2 ja 2. You will find to the SCF is equal to 1. Second, 345 comma 506. 506 is greater number, so that 506 divide by 345. 345 1 ja 345, remainder 161. 161, 345 divided by 161. 161 2 ja 322, remainder 23. 161 divided by 23. 23 7 ja 161. Now solve it. SCF is equal to 23. Third, 615 and 1599. 5099 is a greater number, so that 1599 divided by 615. 2 ja 1230. The work of subtraction, you will find to the remainder 369. 615 divided by 369. 369 1 ja 369. You will find to the remainder 246. 369 divided by 246, 1 ja 246, work of subtraction, and you will find to the remainder 123. 246 divided by 123. 123 2 ja 246, remainder 0, and you will find to the SCF is equal to 123. Question number 3, find the SCF of any two consecutive numbers. In consecutive numbers means लगातार जो दो संख्याएं जो आके आपकी कोई भी नंबर्स हों उसको आप ले करके उसका FCF निकालने का कार्य कर सकते हैं. Let first consecutive number is equal to 10 and second consecutive number is equal to 11. SCF of both number 11 divided by 10. 10 1 ja 10. You will find to the remainder 1. 10 divided by 1. 1 1 ja 1 0. Solve it. Remainder is equal to 0 and SCF is equal to 1. Question number 4. Find the largest number that divides 719 and 930, leaving remainder 5 and 6 respectively. Solution: add up the remainders. 719 plus 5 is equal to 724. 930 plus 6 is equal to 936. So that 936 divided by 724. 724 1 ja 724, work of subtraction. You will find the remainder 212. 724 divided by 212. 212 3 ja 636, and work of subtraction, you will find to the remainder 88. 88 divide 212 divided by 88. 88 2 ja 176, work of subtraction, you will find to the remainder 36. 88 divided by 36. 36 2 ja 72, work of subtraction, you will find to the remainder 16. 36 divided by 16. 36 2 ja 32, remainder 4. 16 divided by 4. 4 4 ja 16, largest number 4. What is the SCF of any two consecutive odd numbers? Solution: let the first consecutive odd number is equal to 5 and second consecutive odd number is equal to 7. SCF of two consecutive odd number: 7 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5, remainder 2. 5 divided by 2. 2 2 ja 4, remainder 1. 2 divided by 1. 1 2 ja 2. You will find to the SCF 1. Question number